One of the most common questions I get asked is what kind of owner direct financing options do you have in Tulum? Now, if you're not familiar with owner financing, what that is the seller of the home is actually financing you directly. So there's no middleman, there's no banks, much faster approval process. It's just typical process of buying a home, proving your identity, things like that. But as I mentioned before, since they are the bank or the financier, each one has different options as far as how long they'll finance you for, the down payment required, and things like that. So we'll kind of go over a couple of options we have here in Tulum. Now the first are some luxury villas that are available. These they have a couple different options. I think they have a total of like 6 different ones. What's really cool about these is they are custom built. So they do take about 12 months to build, but then after that they will finance you so up to 30 years. And I know here they used to say 20, they upped it to 30. So that's one of the big benefits with the Tulum Country Club and the options that they have there. Your second option is at a Flora, and same with them. They have a minimum down payment required, and if I do believe so, I think theirs is 30% down and then 5 years at 8%. So for instance, here they have this one is a 3-bedroom penthouse. As you can see, this one's 960,000, but they also have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and then multiple 3 bedroom options from ground floor options to middle tier options also. So plenty of options there also. And like I said, they do financing. Another option is Mira Luna, and that one here is near to a Flora, and that one too is also this one here is a 2 bedroom. Pint Garden, that one's $650,000. Very beautiful. I've seen this one, is absolutely amazing. One of the most beautiful homes I've seen, to be honest. It's a tie between a Flora and Mira Luna, but they're both beautiful options for you. But if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, there's a couple options there for you also. The next one we're going to move to is Ziva, and they're doing a 50% down in 3 years at 10%. So that's 270,000, just shy of 150,000 for a 1 bedroom. Like I said, so it is 50% down, but you can do owner direct financing for up to 36 months. And they also have a 2 bedroom option too if you're looking for a little bit more space. The next option we have is Eden by Tao. Eden has, probably like 10 different properties that they've developed. What's cool about them too is they have a couple options. You can either choose 50% financing for 5 years, or they have 65% financing for up to 25 years. And there's the terms. I'm not going to go over all these, so I'll probably misquote you on something. But as I mentioned earlier, there will be a link to this blog on this video description if you want to check out their options. But let me show you what that looks like here. This one is the home option. As you can see, it has a pool, has a backyard. Some of them, I believe, have a rooftop terrace. I think all of them do. I could be wrong, but this one's $289,000. They also have more of a condo option, like an apartment option, and those are, I think, around 200,000 USD. So plenty of options. But as I said, there is a link in this description if you want to check it out. But if you have any questions, I'll also leave a link to all of my social media connections. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.